1, 2, catch the hand, step, flip, triple step, push, drag. We're going to show you the small, medium, large that you just learned, and then we're going to show you how to put them all together. We'll circle up and we'll have a whole mixer. We started off with a side pass. Leaders backs up his truck, follows, swings away, and walks. 1, 2, triple step, do it again. 1, 2, triple step. We then showed a little in-out preparation. In, out, triple step, triple step. If you don't give her the in-out preparation, then it's just a side pass. After she spins, I can switch hands. 1, 2, triple step, switch the hand. I can spin her the same way with the other hand. So you've already got 3 moves in your belt. From there, as you switch, if you start with a switched hand, you can touch her shoulder. 1, 2, shoulder, bring it back down. 1, 2, triple step, bring it back down. As you touch her shoulder, reach past it and catch that hand. 1, 2, where's that hand? Rotate her around. Leaders, you're standing behind her so you can see that hand wherever it is, catch it and rotate around. We then, as we catch that hand, 1, 2, 3, and 4, I step around her. She looks at me. She waits, sees what the heck I'm doing. I then cartwheel around, taking both hands around her hips. She rotates as I triple. I put in a little guardrail, sliding her to the side. That move looks like this. 1, 2, triple step, step, flip, rotate, push, drag. If we want all the moves back to back, it looks like this. We'll go from saucy to easy. You can put it in whatever order you want. Actually, we'll go from easy to saucy. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. Let me start with the hand that I said we were starting with. It works with both hands. Triple step, in, out, triple step, 1, 2, switch the hands, triple step, 1, 2, touch the shoulder, triple step, 1, 2, catch the hand, step, flip, triple step, push, drag, triple step, 1, 2. I've been DJ JohnPaul. This has been the lovely Donna. Grab your partner, walk back to where you were. We're going to have one song to practice.